3 ways to pack a suit, gentlemen, from the fastest to the sharpest to the safest. Starting with the fastest, we call this the one fold. It's simple, hang, bag, fold, and you're done. First hang, match your pleats. First goes the pants, then the shirt. I like to button the shirt. Then the coat. That's it, we're hung. Then we bag. All right, we got it bagged, and then you just fold. I like to fold with the front up, and we're done. The bag is important because it traps air, giving the garment an easier time moving and settling flat in the suitcase. It also protects the garment from the occasional exploding toiletry. You can buy these bags pretty cheaply and easily. I'll put a link in the description below. You probably noticed that the one fold is only good for checked baggage. So if you need another method, stay tuned because we have 2 more. The next is the sharpest method called the Cloaked Fold. If you need to get your suit into a carry-on bag, this method is best. All right, so to fold the jacket, you basically hold the jacket in the very center with one hand and then fold the shoulders together so they're hanging about evenly. Then I take my hand and I just pinch those shoulders together in the middle. Make sure that the sleeves are hanging flat and then fold one shoulder over the other, lay flat, and flatten. If you've done it correctly, you'll see that your sleeves are hanging nicely without crease at the bottom. Make sure my lapel is flat as well. Great, now let's move on to the pants. Throw a piece of tissue paper on the jacket, fold the pants at the pleats, and go ahead and lay the waist of the pants about in the middle of the jacket and fold the pants 4 times. All right, fold the jacket over the pants starting from the bottom. Try not to fold the pants again, and then bag it. All right, alternatively, you can roll this. Just move the pants down to the bottom of the jacket and then roll it ever so slightly on top of itself. You don't want to put too much pressure on it because that will make the folds worse. If you have to pack a lot of suit jackets, the roll method can work, but you always bag it. The last way to pack a suit is the safest, with a garment bag. Now, for those of you truly ready for an effective first impression while traveling, you need to invest in a garment bag and commit to carrying this bag separately from your other bags. The instructions are pretty straightforward. First, you hang it. Then you bag it. Hang it. Then you strap it, and then you zip it. I like to keep it unfolded as much as possible to prevent wrinkles. But if I'm in a place where I'm taxiing or walking or on a plane, I can just fold it for the time being, use it as a carry-on, and then unfold it as soon as possible. These bags are resistant to the elements and are perfect for all your travel needs. I've been using this bag with great success for many years, and I'll put a link in the description below for it. As promised, here are some of my closing travel tips. Tip number 1, versatile colors. I typically like to travel with my blue suit because then I can throw in a pair of tan chinos and add 2 outfits to the mix. The chinos with a shirt and the chinos with a jacket. Tip number 2, don't pack the jacket if you don't have to. A great option is to wear a jacket. Sometimes looking smarter in an airport can get you upgraded service, and the jacket will have less wrinkles in the end. Tip number 3, whenever purchasing a suit, purchase the highest quality suit you can afford. This is because higher quality suits don't wrinkle as easily, and the wrinkles shake out of them easier. That said, no matter how you travel with a suit, it may be impossible to avoid wrinkles altogether. Gentlemen, thank you for watching to the end. It really means a lot to me. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, like this. If you need the right knot for any occasion, check out our Half Windsor video here. And if you'd like to scratch your travel itch, check out our tour of Atlanta, Georgia here. Most important, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.